Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though Sukhoi Su-30MK fighters are equipped with all advanced avionics and armaments, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is also working on equipping their Tejas fighters with similar advanced electronic warfare components and weapons. One of the recent updates, which has come in defense sources, is regarding the Advanced Self Protection Jamming Pod. The Defense Avionics Research Establishment is working on a light advanced self protection jamming pod, and this is for the LCA Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. Defense Avionics Research Establishment is a laboratory of the Indian Defense Research and Development Organization. It is one of the two DRDO laboratories involved in the research and development of airborne electronic warfare and mission avionics systems. In 2020, Defense Avionics Research Establishment developed the Advanced Self Protection Jamming Pod, which was also displayed at the Aero India 2021. It is said that the smaller Advanced Self Protection Jamming Pod is shorter and lighter when compared to the original one. Even though these lighter pods are shorter and lighter, they have a diameter of similar 300 millimeter. And advantages of such lighter pods makes it easy to be carried underslung and not to be carried on wing pylons of the aircrafts. These indigenously developed pods are little bit different from the Israelis ELL-822WB jamming pods that Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has ordered for the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. So what actually are these self-protection jamming pods all about? The self-protection pods are very vital for fighters in war zones to survive by suppressing the multiple threats in dense radar-guided weapon system environments. Such pods should be installed and integrated on board aircraft of any size. And this protects these aircrafts against all types of modern, existing, and future threats, which includes air-to-air and surface-to-air threats. So let's hope DRDO succeeds in making the self-protection jamming pod lighter version and it meets all required parameters which is expected by Indian Air Force for the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.